So what we're doing here today is installing a corner trim on a pole barn. Since I already pre-cut this piece, I'll need to find the factory edge, and it will need to go down against the rack guard. What I did here was I cut this piece the same length as my eave wall metal. This wall right over here. Now take and place this corner up on top of the rack guard, nice and square. You'll place it there on top of the rack guard. You'll use the rack guard as a reference to make it square. And then you can put your first screw, and you'll start and do one side and then switch to the other side. But we put that in. Now you can see that it's square. And then you can get your next screw as high as you can reach, aligned with the other screws on the wall. And it's important that you don't screw these screws too tight because it will make it ripply. And then you can go over to the other side and do the same on this other side. I'll try to show you better how I align the corner with the wall. You can see that it's nice and square there. You'll put this screw in, and I over tightened the screw in my video, but now you can see this space right here. You'll just need to keep that consistent all the way up that corner, just like we did on the other side. Put that screw in there lined up with the other screws on the wall. Put the rest of the screws in, line them up with the screws on the wall, and you're done.